All right, so the next number we need is number 9. So if we look through here, we can see that number 9 is right here. We're going to double click to bring that up there. And we want each of these to be a second long. So we can see here over on this section that the entire clip is 2 seconds long. And we can either just move this. As we do that, this is going to tell us where this little marker is at. So as we get past 30, we get up to 1 second, and that's because this little section right here counts the frames, and there are 30 frames per second. We can also quickly hop this marker there by just double clicking in here, putting in 1 for 1 second and 0, 0 for no frames, and that'll get us over. Now we need to tell Premiere Pro that this is where we want to end the clip. So to do that, we're going to mark what's known as an out point. The shortcut for this is very, very simple. It's O for out. You can see when I press that, we now have this part selected. Now we need to bring it over to here. And I'm going to drag this little marker here to the end. We can also get to that quickly by pressing the down arrow key. Wherever this little guy is set, that means that we're going to add the clip next right after that. So to do that, instead of pressing these buttons, I'm just going to hit a period. And that's a really easy way to remember that is hitting the period is basically like ending a sentence. So it's ending an edit. We can see now that we've got over here 1 and 9. I'm going to press the down key to get ready for my next edit.